My name is Derek Mosser. I'm here at Ascot International School as the headmaster. What I do here is I sort of help out with the students and make sure that the teachers are feeling good and happy. The main focus of our school is for students to be doing things hands-on. When they do things hands-on, then they want to learn more.
My name is Ascot International. I am the assistant headmistress, admission director, and a Japanese teacher. Ascot is a very small school. Currently we only have 80 students, and each class is about 10 students per teacher. You can have individualized instruction in classrooms.
We get to introduce to them all of the matters around the world in the basic way and most closest way as possible. So I think they can learn a lot.
Students can come here and experience both the nature that's around us and the garden that we grow. We grow vegetables and we take little excursions into our bamboo forest to collect insects and items that we can use, like pieces of bamboo or plants. If we have an idea or a plan that we'd like to implement, it's easy to get access to that information and to be able to implement those projects which are going to open the mind of children.
At Ascot, you're going to be able to do things rather than just listen. Students also help control the class. They're the ones that create things, like the beautiful painting behind me, and the paintings all around our school. Our students control everything, and because of that, they want to learn more. And our main goal here at Ascot is for a love of learning.